Hello, in front of me I have REALME Watch S, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen on your watch, you can swipe right on the screen to open the quick panel. And here we have the brightness icon, the one on the right side. You can tap on this icon to change the level of brightness. Basically, you can keep tapping on the icon to toggle between different levels of brightness. We have the auto brightness option, that's the A, first level, second level, third level, fourth level, and fifth level. Select the brightness you like to use, and then you can press the upper button to go back, like this. You can also adjust the brightness through settings, so you can press the upper button to wake up the screen, then press it again to open the menu. Here tap on the settings icon, then select the general option, I believe, select on display and brightness, and here we can adjust the brightness by tapping on the arrows, as you can see. Again, select the level of the brightness you like, and then press the upper button to go back. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.